Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, back again with another unboxing video. And this is the YooTech. It's a QI or QI, however you pronounce it, wireless charger. And I'm going to use it in conjunction with my iPhone XR. So it'll work with a lot of QI compatible wireless charging devices that can recharge by way of QI wirelessly. So there's a lot of them out there. Check it out. But what's cool about this one is that there's a lot of them I've used that they're really finicky about how you place the phone because it's a pretty small charging area. What I like about this one, and I say that because I've already got one of these that I use, and I needed a second one for another room. But number one, this little charging area right here is rubberized, so it's easy to put your phone down. And with this one, I haven't run into a problem with my iPhone where I've got to position it precisely. This one, I pretty much just put it down, and I've got a high level of confidence that it's going to be in the charging area. Comes with a couple of cables. It's got a USB-A to USB-C, as you can see there. And that's pretty cool. They actually included a USB-C to USB-C also. So if you're plugging this into, say a MacBook Pro current model, this USB-C to USB-C cable is nice. So that's a nice touch. They included both cables. So if you're looking for this wireless charging pad, you can expand this video's description and then click the link there. It's available in several different colors. Just a very simplistic design, but something that works well, in my opinion. Again, I've got one in another room and just needed to add wireless charging to this room as well. So tell me what you think within the comment section below, and be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IrixGuy, and ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IrixGuy, and ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.